All right. So how to import Excel? When you're starting a business, you either have marketing that's going to generate leads, you're either going to cold call, you're either going to get, referrals with time. But honestly, I don't think there's anything better than cold calling when you're starting a business, asking for referrals and really like grind. Like I love client who grinds because that's how I work. So first of all, but we do want to use a system to help us grind. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, I want to make sure that I import them at the right place. So here, um, if you've seen the mapping, we have a automated email that comes in the deal in, right, with the automated email. So what I want to do, I want to create myself, depending on the how big your list is and how you want to manage it. You might want to use the leads module, but we're going to do it here in the deal for the sake of making things simple. So I'm going to create a new stage here, which is import. I want to prepare the field before importing. So here, I don't know if you see it. Uh, well, now of course you don't, but now you do. So this is an Excel list of fireplace companies, and we want to contact these people. So first of all, let me just make this as clean as possible. Just gonna remove these filters. There we go. So we have the company name, the address, the phone number, the owner's name. We have all their no their names? Kinda, not really, but they're here. We can change it if you need it. Here we have the email, and here you go. So we have the company name, the address of the company. We have the phone number of the. This is the contact person. Some are not named as a contact person. You can change it afterwards after you contact them, and you have your email. Phone. This is the organization name. So you want to import this list into into Pipedrive, but you also want to create a deal from it. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to duplicate this here, this column, copy, insert copy cell. This column, you want to call it the deal, second, the deal title, the deal title. But you don't want this deal to go anywhere in your pipeline. You want it to go right here. Okay. So I want to make sure that I insert a new column here. And on this column, it's going to be the deal stage. And it has to be import. I want it to be imported in the import column. So deal stage and import, deal title, organization name, the address of the organization. We have the person, we have the phone number, we have most of their emails. All right. Import. Oh, I want to save this file. Save as. Fireplace Company test or demo. Here you go. We are 5 minutes in. So import data. I want to import from a spreadsheet. I never really use from another software, to be honest. I'm not crazy about it because I don't have full control of what I'm importing and how I'm importing stuff. And I like to have control. So from a spreadsheet, I want to choose my spreadsheet. I want to, where's it? Oh, Fireplace Companies demo. Right here. I have no idea where I should put my face. I think here's a good spot. So deal stage. Deal stage, I want to put it in import. Perfect. I can put it anywhere I want, by the way. But the system noticed that it's I wrote import and this stage is called import, so automatically it's like, you know what, just is this the place you want me to put it there? And he's right. Stage. Deal title. So I want to choose my deal type fields here. I want to choose the title. You might have more complex lists, but if you have more complex lists, then we should work together so I can help you out. Organization name. So we're going to go in the organization, the name of the organization. By the way, you can also add custom fields here if you needed to, if you didn't do them before, which is amazing because there's some apps they don't even have that. The import feature on Pipedrive, again, it's truly amazing. It's easy to use. Address, the address of the organization. The person's phone number, the people, the person. I don't want to import. This is not his last name. This is his full name. So I want to choose name and the person's email. So I just want to validate everything. Stage, title, the organizations, and the information, the person information. Seems right. Do I want to merge data or I want to create multiple records? So I prefer merging data because I don't want to have any duplicates in my system. But depending on what you're importing and how you want to deal with stuff, then you can choose create multiple records if needed. Here it gives me an example of how they are going to be imported and makes a lot of sense. So start the import. And automatically from here, it's importing, by the way. Automatically from here on the import column, all the deals are going to pop in with the information that I gave the system. If you're multiple users in a system and you want to split up those leads, on your Excel sheet, you can choose like who's the owner of every deal, who's the owner of every person, and who's the owner of every organization. That way, you don't have to split it after it's imported. You can do it before. So that's it. That's how you import stuff. Let's see. My fireplace products. He did not have the address, but here it is. We have the phone number, we have the email, and we can start reaching out to these clients, to these leads. All right. So if you have any questions, don't be shy. Importing is probably the last thing you want to learn in the system. However, if you're able to master it, it's great. So take care. Have a good day. If you need any help from me, please let me know in the link below.